Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a total of 5 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. We are also going to break down these keywords. I'm going to show you ideas on how to get started, as well as how to stand out among the crowd and get consistent sales for your books. And I'm going to talk about my own personal experience as well. So if you are interested in videos such as these, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate the support. We do daily videos here on the channel talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as tips and strategies to help you earn passive income online. We are currently not monetized, unfortunately, but we do have over 130 videos that are filled with strategies and information to help you get started. So if you want to support us and also benefit from the videos and information that we have to offer, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is Happy Father's Day Scrapbook paper, and it has a keyword niche score by self-publishing titans of 38. Also a clarification of the keyword's strength is another keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro of number 8. As you can see here, the bottom left corner, number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro, classifying this keyword as a nice niche. Now bear in mind, number 9 is the highest niche score that you can get using the Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension. So number 8 is pretty good as well. Also, the total results are 1026 as well, perfect, and the bestseller rank is also 390,748, amazing. And we've got the average total reviews of 515 and the average price of $1.83. Now this is one of the easiest niches that you can create for, apart from the lined notebooks. So the lined notebooks are obviously the easiest out of all the niches. All you would need is a good cover, and you would need to optimize the keywords and just lined sheets all throughout the interior. But this one is basically graphics or a combination of patterns to do with different niches. In this case, it is about Father's Day, so any sort of Father's Day pattern that you can get on either Etsy that is available for commercial use, or my favorite place to go to for interiors and for scrapbook paper is Creative Fabrica, and you can access a 30-day free trial to Creative Fabrica in the description box below, all access for 30 days, and you can use it as you want as well for that. So you are creating a book preferably sized at 8.5 times 8.5 inches. You can go ahead and create that using Canva. This is what I do personally. And you would need Father's Day patterned paper, and then you would need to add in some elements to make it unique. So it would be like a copy paste thing. You would make it unique as well, and it would sell any Father's Day related graphics or Father's Day related pattern paper. And then you create a cover, and the interior would be ready for you, and then you publish that way. Now if you want a step-by-step guide on how I would personally go about creating scrapbook paper books for Amazon KDP, then comment in the comment section below this video. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd also love to know if you would like a step-by-step in-depth tutorial live on how I would do the scrapbook paper book for different niches as well, in order to guide you and see, hopefully I'd be able to help you to get started with that. So Happy Father's Day Scrapbook paper, clarification by both self-publishing titans as well as the Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. As you can see here, all 4 results are, the first 4 results are sponsored, so this is something that we do want to avoid. This one is a perfect example. We've got a couple of really good examples as well of things that are selling. Now as you can see, the patterns are available on Creative Fabrica, and you could also use the Creative Fabrica's new tool, the Spark. Would be great as well. This would help you create Father's Day related unique patterns that are one of a kind. Now the size that you want to create for is 8.5 times 8.5 inches, and around, you would need to be around 30 to 32 sheets as well for the interior. This is the mid kind of size and the mid interior that you would need to. Then again, I'm really happy to make an in-depth tutorial if you guys are interested. Just let me know, and then the next couple of videos would be more an in-depth tutorial about different kinds of creating different kind of books, including scrapbook paper books as well as poem books as well. Let's get started with the second niche, or the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is travel Sudoku puzzles for adults. Has a keyword niche score of 46 and a total results of 2,826. And yes, I do understand that is a little bit higher, because I do try to aim here in the channel for anything that is around that 1,000 mark or below, but the bestseller rank is really, really good. It is 317,187. So that does not, that actually does encourage me to dive in deep into this niche. Also, the average reviews are 190 and the average price is $7.23. What's beautiful about this niche is you do have a more of a slightly long tail keyword, but it still leaves space for you to be free to niche down as much as you can. For example, creating a travel Sudoku puzzles for adults and then niching down based on the level of strength. For example, would you like it to be easy, medium, hard? Would you like to create an easy to medium or a medium to hard level of Sudoku? Also, the quantity does play a role when it comes to these kind of books as well. The more you have to offer, the better it is. For example, the first result, although it is sponsored, is offering 400 plus Sudoku hard level. So they've indicated both the level. Now they've used the exact keyword that we are using apart from travel, and they have niched down to for adults, hard level as well. And they also have used some really good keywords such as here, large print, brain boosting, challenge, all these, and mastering your Sudoku. So master, brain boosting, challenge, large print, all these are really good keywords to use in your subtitle if this is the book that you're trying to create as well. This one goes specifically on the levels. It's offering 5 difficulty levels, from easy to normal to hard to very hard, and so forth. So get as much details as you can. The people who are interested in Sudoku and the customers really like to get as much detail about the book, about the Sudoku puzzle book that they are purchasing, in order to see if it is something that they will be happy with as well. Because obviously a person that is a expert or that likes to enjoy doing medium to hard would not want to buy something that is a beginners, or the majority of the Sudoku puzzle activities are for beginners. So keep in mind that, pay attention to detail, pay attention to the quantity, and you can access interiors on Creative Fabrica for Sudoku puzzles. Just make sure to change them around, upload them as a PDF to Canva, change around some elements, change the type of font used, make it unique. If you are making a Sudoku puzzle book, either for adults or for children, try to make sure you have, and you are specifically targeting beginners, try to make sure you have a how to use page, for example, as an example page, some instructions to get started, and also a example page of a filled Sudoku with solutions as well would be great, because it would demonstrate how things are done and the like the basis or the rules of the game, or something like that as well. So travel Sudoku puzzles for adults, amazing, keyword niche score of 46. And also we've got the analytics here that I am happy with, and for this sake I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro, and I'm going to stick with the data and the beautiful juicy stuff that we have here. Now let's head over to the third keyword for the day, and the third keyword is Sudoku puzzles for adults and seniors. Same information applies for this keyword, the same as we have mentioned for the previous one, quantity. Also the levels as well, try to mention the levels that you are providing inside your book to help you to really niche down, because the total results are 3,236. They are quite high, so there is there is a large number of books published under this keyword. It is even more important to niche down based on the level and based on possibly, the age group or the theme. Do you want it to be traveled, camping, adventure? Would you like it to be more for would you like to mention that it is large print, and it is highly advised to do a large print of these Sudoku puzzles, because you want to leave some space for people to, especially seniors as well. They really enjoy large print, so they can be able to see much more easier with the large text and the large graphics as well. Keyword niche score 55 and clarification by Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 7, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. We also have the average bestseller rank, which is, I'm really happy with that, 312,595. Average reviews of 42, and price is $8.99. Let's have a look at the fourth keyword. The fourth keyword, our activity book with Sudoku for kids. Activity book for Sudoku with kids has a keyword niche score of 39 by self-publishing titans, as well as a total result of 1,427. We do have slightly high bestseller rank of 502,443. And a total reviews of 277, the average as well, and the average price is $8.09. For the sake of this information right here, I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro, because this indicates as a slight profitability as well, which is, I'm happy to share with you this keyword. It is not something that I'm going to dive in deep for compared to the previous 3 keywords that I've shared in today's video, but it is something that I'm also going to use as part of the 7 keyword slots, and preferably also for some of the Sudoku books that I'm doing for the children. I'm going to use this in the subtitle for some of the books as well. So really amazing keyword. You can niche down based on what do you want it to be used for. Do you want it to be travel? Do you want it to be adventure, camping, holidays, anything to do with that as well? I would highly advise you to stay away from the year number as well. I do see a couple of books that mention the year, for example, the latest 2023. Please stay away from that unless you only state that in the cover. If you really have to, just only put it on the cover, and the cover you can change it every single year if it's something that you are willing to monitor. I personally don't want to put the year number in, because it gives that perceived perception that the book is outdated after this specific year, especially if you've got customers looking at the book, you know, a couple of years ahead, and it's a book that says, for example, 2022 or latest or anything like that. So I'd stay away from these kind of things. So activity book for Sudoku for kids, great keyword. Let's have a look at the final one. The final one is the science spellbook, magical experiments for kids. Total results are 16. Average bestseller rank is 314,424, and the average reviews are 1,483. Average price is $11.68. I'm not too assured about the keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans, but I am very happy with the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro of number 7, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. So what am I going to do? I'm going to omit the keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans, because all the data right here does indicate that this is a profitable niche and that books are selling under this, and I'm going to stick with the Amazon Scout Pro right here. Now this is why it's really important to use 2 or 3 Chrome extensions at the same time to have something to compare against as well. So if you got data that you're happy with right here, but this conflicts, at least you have another tool that is known to be good at analysis, such as Amazon Scout Pro, to give you a relevant keyword niche score, and then you'll be able to see whether the data contradicts or not. And you've got a couple of variables that I've talked about here on the channel about what makes a profitable keyword, what data that you need to get, how much does the bestseller rank need to be at a maximum, how much does the results need to be at the maximum. I've explained all this in detail in a video linked below on how to determine profitability of Amazon KDP keywords and the variables that you need to look at, and the rules as well. Final keyword, the science spellbook, magical experiments for kids. It's basically a book that is medium to high content, and it contains activities for children to help children with basically activities to help them with doing science experiments, doing science fun activities. More of each experiment would be like ingredients, what you need to get started, how to the method, and then some images and graphics right here as well. So you can go ahead and use ChatGPT for that, but please make sure to rewrite the experiments in your own words, or use a tool such as Quillbot would be nice, and then take that text that you've got from ChatGPT, put it through Quillbot to rephrase it, then take it to grammarly.com in their free tool on how to check for proofreading errors as well. Make sure that's all proofread, no grammatical errors, no spelling errors, and then you're going to upload that to whatever software you are using to create your paperback and ebook. Amazing niche. Take advantage of it. The Science Spellbook Magical Experience for Kids is the fifth and the final keyword in today's video, and the fourth one is activity book with Sudoku for kids. The third one is Sudoku puzzles for adults and seniors. Second one is travel Sudoku puzzles for adults, and the final is Happy Father's Day scrapbook paper. If you have enjoyed today's video, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.